Good morning, sir.
समान नंबर क्लास अभी तक हो रहा।
अभी खत्म हुआ sir.
खत्म होगा सर।
Sir, now only we told, sir. We told to stop the class. We have maths class.
No, I don't mind. Now the time is 12 o'clock, man. I don't mind extending my class. I generally leave at 1:15. I can leave at 1:30.
Yes sir.
But the
Yes,
problem
sir, you
is you
can.
people are running away from 1:15.
So,
The problem is you people are running away, which is bad. Yesterday I wanted to extend 5-10 minutes. Extend kya? We I spoke for long time. बात करने में ही बहुत टाइम चला गया. In fact, Saman Umar warned me. Am I correct? सर हम स्टार्ट
No,
कर
sir.
देंगे, टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे बोल के. समान नंबर आप ही बोले ना?
No, sir. It was me, sir.
It was
not him,
Junaid
sir.
Ahmed.
Not he, sir. I am, sir. Junaid.
Junaid Ahmed, sir.
Yes, sir. Not he, sir. Me, sir.
नहीं, that is not the this one. The point is I wanted to extend but you ran away. ऐसा नको करो जी. अभी क्लास स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं मैं. I will leave you sharp at 1:30. Okay?
Okay sir.
yes,
All of you follow. Sharp at 1:30. Don't go away in between.
yes, sir.
Write this. Come on. Start doing it.
Yes, sir.
Answer man.
One.
Waiting man, jaldi.
Yes, sir.
What happens? Extreme values बोले तो it can be maxima or minima. So what about the first derivative at these values? What about the first derivative at these values? Will it be zero?
Zero.
Extreme values. F dash minus 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Three by two.
कौन सा 3/2?
A plus B equals to
Correct. What is f dash of x? Log mod x derivative. 1 by mod x into mod x
mod
by
x by
x square derivative 2x, x derivative 1. Mod x कट गया. A by x plus 2bx plus 1. Am I correct, man? F dash minus 1 0. A by minus 1 minus 2b plus 1 0. बच्चे लोग am I correct?
Correct, sir.
So A plus 2b is equal to 1. And और एक A by 2
Yes.
A plus 8b is equal to minus 2. Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
Subtract them. 2b minus 8b minus 6b. 1 plus 2, 3. I'm getting b minus half. Am I correct, man?
Correct, sir. Correct,
So
sir.
what is A? B is minus half. So what is your A plus B? Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are called problems on optimization. Look here, man.
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Sum of two positive numbers, then product of the maximum is dash. Look here. Common sense. Numbers are positive. What is the sum?
18.
18. What is given?
Some positive numbers. Yes, sir.
What is required to find?
Product of their maximas. A max into B max. Yes.
Product of their maximum is not A max into B max. Konava.
Sorry, sir. My mistake.
Look here. Pay attention to this one.
Yes, sir.
Sure method.
Yes, sir.
What can be the numbers? AB positive. 1 17. Sum is 18. Product 17. Correct? hai?
Correct, sir.
Correct one.
Correct, sir.
Bolo.
260.
Product.
32. So,
Just in weight.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
44.
Bolo.
414.
56, sir.
56.
5 13. 5
Ah.
6 12 72 7 11
Bolo man.
11
77.
8
10.
10
80.
9
9.
Remaining will be repetition. What's the next one?
Sir.
10 8 10 1 10 8
11.
7.
Where is the maximum? Where is the maximum?
81.
981
How are the numbers? Equal. A is equal to B. 2A is equal to 18. That means what is P max?
AB.
P
81.
max 9 into 9. Do I need to do all this directly? I can say.
Yes, sir.
Now apply maxima minima. Apply maxima minima. Look here. Since A plus B is equal to 18, what is B man?
18 మనకి
Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
What is the product? What is your P?
Yeah, 18 minus.
18 మనకి
Is it a function of A?
Yes, sir. Function of A.
Maxima minima. First derivative is 0. What's the first derivative man? Come on, man.
18 minus 2a.
Second derivative.
So minus 2.
What does f dash of a0 gives you?
So maxima.
Is a 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Substituting second derivative. Greater than 0 or less than 0?
Less than
Done
0.
0.
So at a is equal to 9, what will P have?
Maxima.
A is equal to 9 implies what?
Yes,
What is P max?
81.
Any doubts? Any questions?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir. Clear.
All of you. Very important. When number positive, maximum पूछा, product का या sum का, this is the easy method. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Fabulous. Done, man.
Yes.
100, sir.
Can I clear top 3 lines?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm waiting, man.
Completed, sir.
Answer for the next one.
Just 1 minute, sir.
Sir, when a plus b is equals to pi by 6, then I can apply tan on both sides and do like that, sir.
That will be lengthy, man. Use this technique.
Okay, sir.
Use this technique. For maxima, what should happen, man?
F dash of a x is equal to
0.
For max, A must be equal to B. So 2A is equal to pi by 6. A is equal to how much, man? 15 degrees. Implies A is equal to B equal to how much?
15
15
degrees.
degrees.
So what is the hence? What is max of tan A tan B, man?
So,
Tan 15 into tan 15. Tan 15 value bachalo.
2 minus 3.
3 whole square. Correct? hai?
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Problem is over. That will be laborious. Why to waste energy, time? You are not, you are writing competitive exam, not
Sorry,
board exam.
so this A equal to B is true for every case, sir. Every maximum case where A and B are greater
Only
than.
for maximum case. Square, cube, I'll tell you where it will not be applicable.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Positive C is money, positive numbers.
Yes.
Chalo. Now you cannot apply A equal to B, B equal to C.
Yes.
Shall I?
Yes, sir. We are also doing so.
A plus B is how much?
100.
100.
What is maximum?
Sir,
C equals
A
to
square B cube.
Yes, sir.
Maxima, minima, it should be a function of single variable. Can you convert this into a function of single variable? Yes.
Yes.
A square, what is your B cube?
B minus, sorry, A minus, sorry, 100 minus A.
A whole cube.
Sir, answer is 60-40.
Yes. Don't differentiate directly. Apply logarithms. Left hand side. Right hand side.
2A log, so 2 log A. 3 log 100 minus A.
Derivative.
1 by P, the P dash.
Log A derivative.
2 log A.
100 minus A derivative.
1 by 100 minus A into minus 1.
Maxima, minima. First derivative is 0.
Yes.
2 by A minus. Correct?
Correct, sir.
The video got stuck.
Yes, sir. Your
Yes,
screen.
sir.
Bachelor, what does it gives you? 2 by A is equal to 3 by 100 minus A. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Cross multiply. Correct?
Correct, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Same idea. Max of, don't simplify it. Same method. I'm waiting for the answer.
Eight power 4 into 10 power 5. X equal to 3.
X equal to 3.
X
So
equal to 3.
maximum value पूछा direct. So max पता कर लो. Need not check for second derivative. We are doing only MCQs. We are not doing क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Subjective problems. क्या बोलना है इसको? Am I correct, man? Bajrang, am I correct? Don't find f dash of x. What is log of f of x? Log of f of x, man.
4 log x plus 5
4 log x
plus 5 log 13 minus x.
ये आसान है. Derivative.
1 by f of x into f dash of x.
Right hand side, man.
4 by x plus 5 plus 5 into 1 by 13 minus x into minus 1.
So 4 by x plus 5 minus 5 by 13 minus x. For max or min, what happens, man?
A dash equal to 0.
F dash x is equal to 0.
Source f dash of x. Source.
4 by x plus 5 is equal to 5 by 13 minus x.
Yes.
Cross multiply. 13 fours 52 or 42.
52, sir. 50.
52.
13 fours 42 है ना?
So 52, sir. 52.
52 sir.
52, sir.
Minus 4x is equal to. Correct?
5x plus 25. Yes. Sir.
9x is equal to
27.
hence. What's the max value?
8
3
Power 400 and the power of
10 power 5.
3 plus 5, 8.
So one more doubt, sir. So this f of x can be 0 now, sir, if we transpose.
Exponential function will never be 0.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Clear, sir. Sir, exponential function can be 0 now, sir. It is not negative now. Like that, no, sir.
A power x, x power n function, man.
Yes, sir. Exponent
Value
is
0.
-5 when x equal to -5 or 30.
Write this. This
Yes.
was asked in quite. This was asked in quite regularly in 2020 mains exam. Write this.
Yes.
Applications of maxima minima. Around 6 problems he asked in 2020 mains. 2020 mains में 6 problems में पूछा है. F of x is a polynomial of degree 4. Having CPs at -1, 0, 1. If E is equal to set of all x belonging to R such that f of x is equal to f of 0, then sum of squares of all elements of P. Now, pay attention to this one. What do you mean by critical points?
Points for x is equal to 0.
Where
First
graph
derivative is 0 or first derivative does not exist.
So,
First derivative 0, first derivative does not exist. Am I correct?
yes, sir.
Here, polynomial of degree 4. Therefore, derivative does not exist. Chance ही नहीं है.
Yes.
Polynomial of degree 4. So, derivative does not exist. Chance ही नहीं है. So, first derivative has to be
exist. Exist.
for polynomial function. Since CPs are at -1, 0, 1, what does it mean? F dash of x is 0 for x equal to.
-1, 0.
It's a polynomial of degree 4. So what is f of x? Let f of x be equal to or a into this is let f of x be equal to degree 4 ax power 4
Correct, sir.
थोड़ा इंटीग्रेशन मालूम है तो डायरेक्ट कर सकते हैं. What is f dash of x?
Sir, a 4a x cube plus 3b x square plus 2c x plus d.
Come on, use this condition.
Yes.
Hello, 4 unknowns, 3 conditions. It will be difficult. What are the roots? What are the roots of this? What are the roots of this?
-1, 0, 1.
What is sum of the roots?
Sir, 0.
minus b by a.
Minus b by a minus 3b by 4a. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Product of roots.
-1. Source 0, 0, 0. Sorry.
Minus plus minus.
Yes.
What is sum of roots
2 at a time.
taken 2 at a time?
Sir, C by A.
Not c by a. 2c by 4a.
Nice, sir. 2C by 4.
First degree coefficient by third degree coefficient. First of all, do the sum. -1 plus 0 plus
-1.
plus 1 plus -1 is equal to how much? 2c by 4a.
Yes.
Check तो क्या आएगा मन?
0.
Yes, sir, 0.
Why 0 man? हाँ 0.
No,
No
sir,
man.
it should be multiplied, sir. -1 into 0, sir. Not plus. -1 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus
हाँ.
-1, sir. It will be.
कहीं गलत हो रहा बोल के दिख रहा था मैं.
No, it will be -1, sir.
Minus
So it
1.
will be whoever gave me this. Who gave me this? Thank you man. Your name?
Junaid, sir.
Junaid, very good. Thank you man. तो गलत हो रहा था. 2c by 4a is -1. 2c is equal to -4a. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's the polynomial?
We don't know C and we don't know A also, sir.
बाकी के सब 0 है ना जी?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Not worry. ax power 4 correct है?
Yes.
d0 d0 correct है?
Yes, sir.
f of x is equal to f of 0. What do you mean by f of x is equal to f of 0? What is f of 0? A into 0
E.
plus c into 0 plus e. E गयो. What will I get?
So one doubt, sir. Sir, this product of roots is E by A, no, sir, minus E by A.
Oh, it is plus a plus first one plus second one minus third one. First one minus second plus third minus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir. Sorry.
So what is your f of x man?
Sir.
ax power 4 correct है?
Yes, sir. Correct.
What does it gives you?
Equal to 0.
What is your c? 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो जी. What is 2c?
-4.
क्या common?
A. So
2a square. What is left over?
x square minus 2x. So minus 2, minus 2.
Implies what is x is equal to?
0 or root 2.
Root 2.
Plus or minus.
Sum of squares of elements. 0 square plus root 2 whole square plus minus root 2 whole square. Any doubts? Any questions?
No,
Shall I
no.
write this formula once?
Yes,
Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to
yes, sir.
Ax cube bx square cx plus d x cube x square x constant.
alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to
Alpha beta gamma. बच्चे लोग what is alpha plus beta plus gamma?
minus b by a.
-B by
Yes, we will.
Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha.
Beta gamma gamma alpha.
C by
C by
Alpha beta gamma d minus d by.
Beta gamma
minus D.
-D by.
minus d by minus plus minus. कभी भी वही ऑर्डर में आता.
Yes, sir.
Another 2020 JEE mains question. I'm waiting.
Yes, sir.
At critical points, what will be first derivative?
0 or does not exist.
0 or does not exist. Those two are differentiable functions. First wala polynomial function, second wala exponential function, polynomial function and exponential function. Polynomial function and exponential function are differentiable always. So, in this particular case, does not exist is ruled out.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Sir,
सुन रहा हूँ बोलो अगर
at that very last step, in which formula, in which did you substitute those zeros to minus root to root 2 and 0? In which equation?
x square is equal to 0 man, x is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
X square minus 2 is equal to 0, x equal to plus or minus root 2.
No, sir, after that one, sir, we have to find
हाँ
that sum of squares, sir. That.
हाँ sum of squares पूछा
Sir,
इसका
yes, yes,
स्क्वायर
yes.
इसका स्क्वायर इसका स्क्वायर
Yes, I did write that full one.
Can I clear this off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, x equal to minus 2 by 3.
वो नहीं पूछा ना जी लोकल मैक्सिमा लोकल मिनिमा पूछ रहा हो
Sir, attend for x equal to
अटेन फॉर x equal to
minus 2 by 3. And
नहीं सो दो पॉइंटर थे ना जी
minus 2 by 3, comma 1.
किस पे लोकल मैक्स किस पे लोकल मिन फर्स्ट व्हाट इज f dash x बोलो मैम
Sir.
E power x.
व्हाट इज f dash of x
E power x into 6x plus a.
6x
plus a minus 1.
plus A
Correct, sir.
what I get common?
e power x
What will I get?
Sir, plus
3x
a
square
Condition Haji? 3x square plus
6
ax
plus a
plus 6x ये कट गया minus
minus
2 correct?
Correct, sir.
yes sir
Since x is equal to 1 is an CP f dash 1 0 into 3 plus a plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
A plus 7 is equal to 0. Correct?
Correct, sir.
What is f dash of x?
So
What is
3x
f dash of x? Put a equal to minus 7, man.
e power x into 3x square
Ah,
minus
3x square minus x
minus
minus 2
is
minus x minus 2. Sure, इसका factors बोला जी.
minus 3 plus 2
Split करके बोला जी क्या था?
sir 3x plus 2 into x minus 1
3x plus 2 into
x minus 1
अब बस है. This will not participate in derivative क्योंकि always positive है. Mark them on the number line. What are they?
so minus 2 by 3 and 1.
Minus 2 by 3. यहाँ पे 1 पे negative to positive. Negative माने acute angle. Positive माने negative माने obtuse angle. Positive माने acute angle. Therefore, what we have?
Local minimum.
So add x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to 1 is a point of
Log
यहाँ पे derivative is changing from where to where?
so positive to negative.
Positive to negative.
To obtuse angle. Therefore, conclusion.
X is equal to minus 2 by 3 is a point of local maximum.
(2020) JEE mains question और एक सेम प्रॉब्लम है. ये तो आंसर आप ही बोलना. लास्ट और एक 3 प्रॉब्लम है क्रिटिकल पॉइंट्स पे. आई एम नॉट डूइंग देम. Go up, same method. We'll move on.
Sir, f dash of x has in the question.
Critical point at x is equal to 1. Sorry, CP at x is equal to 1. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir, we are doing.
अदनान कर रहे हो?
Yes, sir, कर रहा हूँ.
What shall we call f of x?
X cube plus bx square plus cx plus d.
फर्स्ट कंडीशन क्या है? f of -1 10 कते मतलब क्या है? माइनस ए सॉरी इसका मतलब क्या है? मतलब बोलो जी.
Minus a plus b
Plus b
minus c
minus c
plus d
plus
equal to
d.
0.
f of 1 is equal to -6 मतलब
A plus b plus c plus d equal to -6.
critical point at x is equal to -1. What is f dash x? What is the critical point at x is equal to -1?
Sir,
0.
0, yes, sir, 0.
What will I get? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, f dash has critical point at x equal to 1 मतलब क्या है? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसका next derivative
6ax plus 2.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Solve करना चाहिए पूरे.
Sir, that two equation we should subtract.
ये दोनों कौन से?
B and D will go off, sir, if we subtract f of -1 and we got no, sir, minus a
Yes,
plus
sir.
b minus.
ये दोनों
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. B and D will go off, sir.
नहीं डी नहीं होना. Subtract करो.
Yes, sir.
Subs implies when you subtract, what does it gives you?
Minus 2a
Minus
Minus
2c.
equal to 16.
Correct? Plus 16
Yes, sir. A plus c equal to.
minus 8.
Yes, sir.
ये दोनों ऐड करेंगे. 2b उड़ गया. 9a plus c is equal to 0. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
बोलो जी. 9a. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Now we
Yes,
should,
sir.
Now subtract these two.
sir. Minus 8a
Minus 8a.
equal to minus 8.
A is equal to 1. A1 हुआ तो c.
B equal to minus 3.
A1 हुआ तो what is your b?
Minus
Minus 3.
Minus 3. A1 हुआ तो c.
Minus
Minus
9.
d बोलो मेरे को.
pi.
डी से अपने को मतलब नहीं है. डी क्या है?
pi, sir.
इसमें डाल दो. f dash of x में डालो. What is f dash of x?
X cube
हाँ, f dash of x जी.
f dash of x. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. 3a 3x square
3x square
b equal to minus
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 6x
6.
minus 6
minus 9.
minus 9
कुछ फैक्टर्स है.
27.
है शायद.
Yes, sir. Minus 3 plus. Yes, sir. There.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब same as earlier one. First derivative test.
Plus minus plus.
Plus.
Minus 1 is maximum.
Minus 1 max. 3 is min.
Min.
और एक प्रॉब्लम करेंगे ऐसा वाला.
Yes, sir.
2020 में ही अगर एनफ बोले तो छोड़ देता हूँ. वन मोर बोलो. 4 5 है और एक करके रोक देंगे बोलते रोक देंगे. तो I'll stop this and move to the next method.
We'll do one more, sir.
Yes, sir. We can do, sir.
Many students don't know how to apply first derivative test. Can I clear
One
this
minute,
off?
1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
Wait, sorry, sir. Many students struggle in first derivative test application. So they all go for second derivative. Am I correct? Generally, physics maybe you always go to second derivative, no?
Yes, sir. Second derivative.
करने को. Tomorrow, day after, we'll do mensuration problems. Jumme ko will start vectors. Friday will start vectors.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Last chapter na,
क्या बोले?
last chapter na, sir.
दो चैप्टर है, वेक्टर्स है, 3D है.
Okay, sir.
What's the status of physics and chemistry? Physics कब खत्म हो रहा? Chemistry कब खत्म हो रहा? First year syllabus.
Sir, physics.
Sir, organic chemistry syllabus done, sir. Physical chemistry, one chapter is.
How many chapters to go in physics?
More many chapters, sir, but sir said that he will
chapters
be
are this, sir?
completing by April 15, like that. Before April 15, he will complete his
Chemistry?
chemistry, organic chemistry completed, sir. In physical chemistry,
Physical chemistry
one
last chapter going on, sir.
Inorganic?
Done, sir.
completed, sir.
What is f dash of x?
36x cube
6 cube.
plus 36x square minus 72x.
Plus x square minus 2x.
Correct है?
Yes, sir.
इतना easy problem दिया जी. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
Correct है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0 minus 2
Minus
1
2
0, 1.
minus
Plus,
plus
minus.
minus.
A वाला negative to positive minimum, positive to negative maximum, negative to positive minimum.
Minimum. Minus 2 to 0.
हाँ.
Point of maximum. Point of minimum.
No, we will not leave this problem here. Draw its graph. ऐसा कैसे छोड़ेंगे अपन इसको? चलो ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना शुरू करो. और even degree polynomial x goes to infinity, function goes to infinity. In fact, even degree polynomial x goes to plus or minus infinity, function goes to infinity. Come on.
Yes.
I think I'm making you to sweat and do extra things, but still work doing none. As x goes to plus or
No,
minus,
sir.
where will the function goes to?
Infinity.
Plus infinity.
ये तीनों पे वैल्यूज निकालो. I'll do the most difficult ones. F of 0 is most difficult. मैं लिख दिया. F of 1 भी difficult है. 9 plus 12, 21, 21 plus 25, 46 minus 36, 10.
10.
F of minus 2 बोलो.
F of minus 2 is 217, sir.
चलो.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, 121 I am getting.
0 पे 25, 1 पे 10, 2 पे क्या बोले?
121 we are getting, sir. I'm getting, sir. 121 I am getting.
1 तो ऊपर है ना. 25 से बढ़कर है ना? ऊपर है. Increasing in 1 to infinity. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Decreasing in 0 to 1. Am I correct?
Yes.
Correct.
माइनस 2 पे कम वैल्यू आना चाहिए.
Sir, minus to 121.
नो मैन.
121 only, sir.
It is increasing in minus 2 to 0. Minus 2 to 0 increasing है. यहाँ आए तो डिक्रीजिंग हो जाता जी. वो गलत कर रहे हैं आप लोग.
1 minute, sir.
मैं करके देखूं.
Sir, 9x power
Minus
4 and
71,
minus
sir.
156.
Sir, minus 71.
minus 71.
Minus 70.
Yes, sir. Minus 20.
121, 256. क्या क्या की बोले? कौन है वो?
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir. Minus 71.
अपना करेक्ट है.
Yes, sir. Minus 71 only.
माइनस 2 पे क्या है? माइनस 71. नीचे वैल्यू. फंक्शन क्या हो रहा? इंक्रीज हो रहा. हुआ ना?
Increasing, sir.
minus infinity to minus 2, it is decreasing. Correct?
Yes, sir.
How many times it is cutting x-axis?
1, 2,
2 times.
2, 2.
So how many real roots it has?
2.
By mistake, we took plus 96, sir, instead of taking minus 90.
2 real roots. और एक चीज. Is
Yes,
the
sir.
function 1 1? is the function 1 horizontal line test भूल गए पूरा horizontal line test cuts the graph more than 1 point.
Yes, sir.
Range
Minus
y-axis कहाँ से
25.
minus 70,
y-axis कहाँ से कवर हो रहा
minus
minus
70,
71 से
25
y-axis
to
कवर हो रहा
25.
Infinity.
नीचे वाला
infinity.
कवर नहीं हो रहा तो what's the range?
Minus 71 to
1 to
infinity.
infinity.
So many things you can do once you complete maximum minimum.
Yes.
1 on to भी बात कर सकते हैं. Okay then. We shall resume tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
One minute.
I am closing down.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.